Hi friends, welcome back to the new series JavaScript Zero to Hero. As part of this series, we have learned the basic concepts in JavaScript like variables, data types, operators, type conversion, functions, conditional statements like if-else, loops like for, while, strings, arrays, objects, and more. Also, we learned about some of the ES6 features like let and const variables, arrow functions, new for loop syntaxes, spread and rest, array and object destructuring, template literals, and default parameters. JavaScript is not limited to these concepts. There are also interesting concepts like hoisting, currying, memoization, immediately invoked function expression, also called IFI, etc. And also a few more concepts in ES6 like class, inheritance, map, set, etc. We are going to learn all these in the advanced concept series JavaScript Hero to Superhero, which is coming next. So please subscribe and support me. I'll be back with advanced concepts soon. Thank you. Bye.